Hello there, fellow eager money-seeking adventurers and seekers of wealth. Today, we're taking you on a thrilling journey into the captivating realm of passive income generation, a place where you can effortlessly generate income without the need for additional hours or exhausting effort. So, without any further ado, let's swiftly examine 8 outstanding, highly recommended passive income ideas that you're absolutely welcome to aim for today. 1. Real estate investment. Purchase valuable properties on which you can charge rent and generate substantial profits. 2. Dividend stocks. Seek out well-established and long-standing companies that are synonymous with consistently paying out impressive dividends to their dedicated investors. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Offer credit to individuals and also ensure that they are safely secured with trustworthy and valuable collateral to minimize the risk in case there is any unforeseen fluctuation. 4. High-yield savings accounts. Contribute to accounts that generate outstanding returns on your savings. 5. Affiliate marketing. Master the art of working as a passionate advocate for the products you actively promote, earning incredibly vital commissions. 6. Online courses. Develop and sell invaluable educational courses for a wide array of subjects, catering to an array of diverse personal interests. 7. Royalties. Create and sell highly successful products that are marketed with your name or as a highly recognized brand, generating significant revenue. 8. Renewable energy. Invest in assets such as solar panels or wind turbines for power generation, which reduces your energy expenses substantially and helps make a positive impact on the environment. Embrace the wisdom that passive income demands a tremendous dose of diligence and consistency in order to thrive and flourish. However, once established, the myriad of benefits can be reaped comfortably, irrespective of your position or what you're doing during those calming moments when you unwind in your evenings. So what's holding you back from achieving success? With a breathless step out from the walls of passive income generation today, beginning to generate income during those soothing moments when you unwind and relax each evening. Thank you for tuning into our content, and don't forget to hit the like button on our content, as well as subscribe for more expert advice on making money, and ensure to follow for even more personalized tips on reaching your financial aspirations. Until we find a reunion, make steady progress on pursuing your financial dreams.